Today, we make Kurobuta Shao Mai, a Chinese-inspired dish at home. Hope you have noted the ingredients. Use premium Kurobuta pork. It makes the dish juicy and delicious. Prepare all seasonings first. It makes the recipe easy. Add pork to cold bowl to make it marinate. Add sauces slowly so that pork mince can be marinate. Add the spices which give the pork mince a delicious flavor. Mix in one direction for the smooth texture of mince. Lock in moisture by adding cornstarch and cold water. Fold shrimp gently, that gives the extra taste. Chill 20 minutes, this is secret of rich taste. Prepare soft wrappers for perfect dumpling shaping. Add 1 spoon of seasoned pork filling. Carefully shape wrapper upward to form beautiful shao mai. Tap the bottom carefully so dumpling stands upright. Add colorful carrot and peas for perfect finishing. Carefully line steamer using cabbage leaves and parchment. Leave enough space between dumplings for even cooking. Let dumplings steam for 8 minutes until tender. Perfect texture achieved, juicy inside and tender outside. Perfectly steamed shao mai is ready for serving. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me for more delicious Chinese recipes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.